Summer and sunburn are two things that very well complement each other. Studies say that every summer about one-third of the population suffers from severe sunburn, while the summer season has a lot to offer, which we enjoy such as beaches, swimming, etc. But it is this period when the condition of our skin gets worse due to problems such as sunburn, tanning. The bright sun rays in the summer scorch the skin, making it dark and burning the upper layer of the skin, leading to dead skin. While sunscreen lotions and creams are some of the most convenient ways to prevent sunburns, but they have their own consequences such as skin allergy, harmful chemicals. Some creams are hugely expensive. So why not try some natural home remedies for sunburn? But before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel for such amazing videos and press the notification bell for regular updates. Now let's know 10 best home remedies for sunburn. And in the end, I will give you 3 bonus tips for sunburn. First, papaya and honey pack. Take 1 cup of chopped papaya, 2 spoons of oats and 1 spoon of honey. Blend all together to make a paste. Apply this paste on the affected skin and leave it for 30 minutes. Then clean with cold water. You can do this remedy daily. Second, baking soda. Mix 2 spoons of baking soda in a half a bucket of cold water and soak the skin in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you have a sunburn in areas such as shoulder or back, which you cannot soak in the bucket of water, you can immerse a clean cloth or towel in the water and place it on the affected area and leave for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can do this remedy once or twice a day. Third, watermelon and rose water. Take half a cup of chopped watermelon and 1 spoon of rose water. Blend it together to make a paste. Apply it on the affected area and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. And then wash it with cold water. You can do this remedy daily. Fourth, lemon juice and honey. Take 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well and apply it on the affected area and leave for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it with cold water. You can do this remedy daily. Fifth, aloe vera. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, cut its leaves from the middle and remove the thick gel and apply it to the affected area. If you don't have an aloe vera plant, you can easily find aloe vera gel at any cosmetic store near you. You can do this remedy daily. 6. Cucumber and yogurt. Take a cup of chopped cucumber pulp and 2 spoons of yogurt. Blend it together to make a thick paste. Apply it on the affected area and leave for 20 minutes. And then wash it with cold water. You can do this remedy daily. 7th, potatoes. Take 2 potatoes, wash and peel off the outer skin of potatoes. Blend it to make a fine paste. Apply it on the affected area and leave for 20 minutes. And then wash it with cold water. You can do this remedy daily. 8th, tomato and yogurt. Take 2 tomatoes chopped and 1 spoon of yogurt. Blend it to make a fine paste. Apply it on the affected area and leave for 20 minutes. And then wash it with cold water. You can do this remedy daily. 9th, coconut oil and camphor. Mix 2 spoons of coconut oil and half teaspoon of camphor and apply it on the affected skin. Apply it on the affected area and leave for 20 minutes. And then wash it with cold water. You can do this remedy daily. 10th, cold milk. You can apply cold milk on the affected area with the help of cotton. You can do this remedy daily. These all 10 home remedies will help you in sunburn by healing and providing a soothing effect to the skin. Since all the ingredients are natural, they will also enhance the glow of your skin and improve the skin quality. Now, as promised, here are the 3 bonus tips for sunburn. First, green tea. Put a tea bag in a cup of hot water for 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag and let the water cool for another 5 minutes. Now, dip a cotton ball in this water and apply it on the affected area. You can do this remedy daily. Second, cold water or ice. If you get a sunburn, for quick and immediate relief, apply some ice or cold water on the affected area. Third, you must use umbrellas before stepping out into the sun. That is all about for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay blessed. Thank you.